In this video, I am going to tell you how you can control any conversation using all these techniques that mention in this video. So without wasting any time, let's start. Starting a conversation with anyone can be easier than you think. Now I tell you 6 techniques. Number 1, smile and make eye contact. Approach the person with a friendly smile and make brief eye contact to signal your approachability. Number 2, open with a greeting. Start with a simple greeting like hello, hi, or hey. This sets a friendly tone. Number 3, introduce yourself. After the initial greeting, introduce yourself by saying your name, example, I'm. Number 4, ask open-ended questions. Ask questions that require more than a yes or no answer. For example, what do you do for a living? Or, how has your day been? Number 5, listen actively. Pay close attention to their responses. This shows that you're interested and can lead to follow-up questions or deeper discussions. Number 6, compliment or comment. Compliment something about them, or make a relevant comment to keep the conversation flowing naturally. How to never lose an argument. A quite interesting topic, am I right? After sharing this short story, I'll reveal the secret to consistently holding your ground in verbal clashes. Japan. A young samurai challenges another samurai. The other samurai appears and begins to approach the challenger. Suddenly, the young samurai kneels, puts his sword in the ground and says, "I'm sorry, but I lost." Confused, the other samurai asks him, "Why did you lose?" The young samurai replies, "Because I experienced anger, because I felt an emotion." The same applies to arguments or any other vocal brawls. The moment you experience an emotion, whether it's anger, frustration, or rage, that's it. You've lost the game. Don't even continue arguing or you'll make a fool of yourself and regret it. Be cold, calculated, and objective. If you follow me, drop a yes in the comments. To win an argument without seeming arrogant, just replace "I know" with "you're right." This will make the other person feel smart instead of making you look like a know-it-all. Smart move, right?
Control any conversation by eyes. Know when they're hooked or when they're hiding. If they're frequently glancing away from you during conversation, they might be nervous or disinterested. If their pupil dilates while looking at you, they might be attracted to you. However, dilated pupils could also mean they're simply interested in the subject at hand. These details can provide valuable insight when trying to understand someone's motivations and feelings.